Introduction to Google Tasks Integration.
As a productivity tool that helps you organize to-dos, reminders, and goals. Its integration with Gmail and Google Calendar allows you to manage daily action items efficiently without leaving your workspace. Let's explore how these integrations work, making it easier to stay on top of everything within Google's ecosystem.
Adding tasks from Gmail.
In Gmail, you can turn any email into a task with just a few clicks. By selecting an email and choosing Add to Tasks, the message is saved as a to-do item in Google Tasks. This helps you keep important follow-ups and deadlines from your inbox neatly organized, all linked back to the original email for easy reference.
Viewing and managing tasks in Google Calendar.
Tasks added in Google Tasks automatically appear in Google Calendar if you enable the Tasks calendar. This lets you visualize your to-dos alongside meetings and events. You can move tasks, set due dates, and mark them as complete right from your calendar view, helping you plan your day more efficiently.
Sync across devices for seamless workflow.
Google Tasks syncs in real time across desktop and mobile devices. Whether you're using the Gmail or Calendar app, or the standalone Google Tasks app, your updates and completions reflect everywhere. This ensures your action items are always up to date, no matter where you're working from.
Tips for managing action items effectively.
To get the most from Google Tasks, combine features like subtasks, reminders, and color-coded lists. Regularly review tasks in your calendar and update notes or due dates as priorities shift. By integrating tasks with Gmail and Calendar, you can streamline your workflow and maintain clarity on what needs to be accomplished each day.